Hi everyone, it's Dennis here, and for this video I have a quick math problem. So which of the cones below, we have some cones here, which of the cones below can be formed from a 252 degrees sector of a circle of radius 10 units by aligning the two straight sides? So I actually made a cutout before this video, so this is kind of the sector. Of course, this is not to scale. And so what happens if we bring these two radii together like this? Obviously, we form a cone, as you can see. So there's our cone. So which of these cones down here is actually represented by this cone? So what we have to do is to find the slanting height and the radius of the base area of this cone. That will help us to identify which circle it is. So I'm going to begin by actually drawing out this sector again. So this is how it goes. And then, so we have this here and this. This is 252 degrees. And then we have this is equal to this, obviously, which is 10 units. Now, if we fold this to form a cone, as you've just seen in this illustration, this is what is going to happen. These two slanting heights, this and this, sorry, these two radii are going to form the slanting height of the cone. As you can see, they form the slanting height. So this is going to be like this and this. And then this other bluish part is going to form the base. So there we go. Okay, so it is very clear at first glance that this is already 10 units, so no big deal there. So this is 10. So we can already begin to eliminate some of the answers here. So this can't be the answer, obviously, and this here, because they have 10 as the vertical height instead of the slanting height. Okay, so the next thing here is to find which radius this is. Okay, and let's see how we are going to do that. So we can actually find the circumference of the base area, which is the length of this arc here. So let me just say the length of this arc here, which is 252 out of 360 times 2 pi r, and this is going to be, so this is 7/10, 7 out of 10 times 2 pi times 10, which is the radius. So this cancels with this, and we'll have 14 pi. So this here is 14 pi. The length of this arc is 14 pi, which means the circumference of this guy here, the circumference of the base here is 14 pi. And using that, I can find what the radius is. Just do that here. We know that circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, so this circumference is 14 pi from here. 14 pi equals 2 pi r. So r is going to be 7 units. So let's see, this is 7 units. Okay, just make that clear, 7 units. Now let's see which one here has 7 units. This one here, this one has 6, which is not correct. This one has 8. So this is the correct cone that will be formed from this sector. Alright, thanks for watching this video. If you find this helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.